Hey guys, I just want to share something. One of my zebra finch pair threw two of their chicks outside for some reason. I don't know why. So what I did, this is my beautiful canary female. So she had some eggs she's laying. So I put those two in her nest, and she actually sat on them and feeding them, and they're doing pretty well. I'll show you. Just give me one sec. Um, anyway, that's her. You can see. She is. Get off, get off, get off. It's okay, get off. Look. Isn't it nice? So yeah, well, you could do the same if you want. So Canaries do sit on others' chick as well and feed them. See, you can see he's full. So yeah, they're doing good. It's been more than 2 weeks since she's been sitting on them and taking care of them. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys. Thank you.